Hey guys, we received these ALLSWIFIT men's hands-free slip-on walking shoes for test and try. So they are laceless and comfortable tennis sneaker. So let me just open the box and show you it. So these are really nice pair of shoes. As you can see, feels nice. There are no laces. They are slip-on and comfortable things from here. It's very nice design as you can see from the side, comfortable thing and withstand the front one. The sole is really thick and also like the feel. So they are the lightweight as I can feel and also the high rebound thing as we see with the thick sole and then the feeling as well. So they are the full rubber outsole. After wearing it is really comfortable and easy to wear like within a second and then also feel nice on the feet.